Here I have Xiaomi Mi A2 and let me show you how to enter QMMI mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, let's tap power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and volume up. So let's hold on together those three keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding those three keys. Release them as soon as Android One logo pops up on the screen, and now you need to wait a few seconds. That's it, now let's unlock the screen. And after a few seconds the following mode should pop up: QMMI. So here you can perform some hardware test, you can check out, for example, the system info. If the system is correct, let's tap pass. You can check the SIM card, vibrator, LED white. For example, let me test the vibrator. Let's tap pass if everything is correct. You can test the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, battery, light sensor, fingerprint. For example, let me test the light sensor. And you can also tap run all to run all tests. You can use more key in order to refresh all tests and to, for example, tap settings. You can also choose reset here to reset all the tests, or you can tap reboot to reboot to QMMI, to shut down the ship mode, or to reboot to Android simply. If you would like to quit this mode, you can also use back key, and now you can use your device. Here you can shut down the QMMI mode, and that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.